Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on another video. I want to apologize right away for the creative lighting. I'm actually holding some LED lights in my hand. I knew it was going to be dark when I was filming this part of the video, so I went and bought another light, and it is totally washing my face out, so I tried this. It's going to be better in just a moment. Today on the Blackstone, we're making burger dips. I got this idea from watching Eat Carbs Outdoors, and I thought I'd give it a shot. So stick around, and we'll get right to it. Alright, for ingredients today we have, of course, some French rolls. We'll be making that burger dip. Of course, we have some ground beef to make some patties. No dip would be complete without some au jus, so this is the Knorr brand I just found. We'll be enjoying some Swiss cheese. Gonna saute some mushrooms. And saute some onions for it. And some non-unsalted butter. And for our sides today, we're gonna have some Ore-Ida seasoned, zesty, straight French fries. We'll be cooking those off camera. Alright, first thing we gotta do is get this ground beef seasoned, and I'm gonna make up some patties. Just got a big mixing bowl here. Just 2 pounds of beef. Let it come to room temperature. And for seasonings, I'm going to throw in some minced onions first. This is Famous Dave's steak burger. Little Weber gourmet burger. And a little Worcestershire. Get this mixed up and we'll make some patties. So I'm just going to glove up and get my hands right in there. It's easier to do this with some gloves on when we're filming. Just pop your gloves off and you can touch the camera right away. Always careful to avoid cross-contamination. Beef's not that bad, but and make long patties to go on the French rolls. Right about like that. We get the rest of these done and we'll be right back. Alright, so we've got 3 made. We're going to go ahead and hit them with a little bit more steak burger seasoning. Looks like we got about enough for 3 more, so we're going to go ahead and get those done. Alright, so we got all our patties made. I also did add in some blackened Saskatchewan rub for some extra flavor. I like it. And one ingredient I forgot to make or mention is we're going to have some bacon. So we're having bacon Swiss burger dips. Let's get that bacon going. Alright guys, welcome back. This bacon is smelling delicious. It is time to flip it. I had to run and change my shirt. I realized that I was cooking bacon in my brand new Deftones shirt. I don't want that. That looks good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get this bacon off. Get the burgers on. These ones will be for Max. Be right back with the burgers. Give those a minute and we'll be back. Alright, that's starting to smell delicious. You can give them a flip. Nice. Now it's looking like they're a little burnt. That's not, that's that blackened seasoning that I put on there. It's delicious. We'll let that go for a minute and we'll be right back. Go ahead and give these another flip. See how we're doing. Oh. Need to be down for a little bit longer. But we're going to go ahead and also get some butter down right here. We get our mushrooms and our onions sauteing. The smells coming off this griddle right now are amazing. Get back to this a bit. Alright, so we're going to flip these one more time. We'll be back. Go ahead and mix these around too. We'll get some cheese on these burgers. I've also started the oven preheating at 425 for some French fries. It'll be a great dinner. Alright, well it's time to get these burgers with some cheese on them. Going with Swiss today. And we should go ahead and get our sauteed goodness. Yeah, just a little bit more. So as soon as those melt, we'll get those burgers off. Let these go a little bit more. The French fries are in the oven. And we're about to have some dinner. That just looks too good. We're going to double up on the cheese today. Try to splurge every now and then, right? I don't think anyone inside that'll be enjoying these will complain. Alright guys, I really wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. I'll go ahead and pull these off now. And so now we can cut the heat off the Blackstone. And we'll be right back to build these burger dips. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get our sauteed vegetables up. Now we're going to let this cool down just a little bit, and we're going to come out and drop some rolls on here so we can get them toasted. Alright, now it's time to get these buns down and toasted. This is just the residual heat. So while this is going on, I'm going to run inside and get some water boiling so we can have our au jus with our burger dips. I'll be right back. Alright, it's time to take these buns off. They're lightly toasted. And our water is about to come to a boil for our au jus, and we got about 10 more minutes left on our french fries. Be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for sticking around. It is now time to assemble our burger dips. The first thing we will be adding is some cream horseradish. Just a quick little shake. I like a generous amount of horseradish. Of course, when it'll come out, there we go. That's going to be a little intense. Get that spread even. And next is, of course, our patty. Now mine are a little bit short because it's the first time doing this, but it'll work out fine, I'm sure. Next is our bacon. And we are going to top it with some sauteed mushrooms and onions. See if we can get this thing to close. The bun's coming apart for sure. That's alright. Get back in there, bacon. Cutting diagonal, of course. There we go. And that's our burger dip. Alright, so here's our burger dip. I'll go ahead and give it a shot. Take a little bit of our au jus. Wow. Wow, that is really good. That creamy horseradish is a really great flavor to add that. I had to take a break so I can talk to you. But let's do these French fries. I like to have them a little bit crispier, but they'll do. Once again, guys, my name is Chris. This is Calzone Outdoors. I want to thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe so I can see you on the next video. Also, join me on Facebook and Instagram, both at Calzone Outdoors. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my meal.